Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a how to use the Amazon welder that I purchased. If you haven't already seen my unboxing video, go ahead and check that out so you can see everything that this Amazon welder comes with. We're just going to hop right into the video. Here I'm going to be setting up everything, plugging all of the cords in, the stylus and the tweezers, along with the clamps that you will need. Yeah, I'm just setting all that up. The small metal rod that comes with the stylus that needs to be set up, I'm doing all the good stuff right now before we can actually start our project. So yeah, I'm just getting all that stuff set up. I'm trying to work that in a hybrid, but even though some jump rings that I would typically use for permanent jewelry. Right here we have a 14K pure gold jump ring. This is a sterling silver jump ring. Here is a gold stainless steel jump ring. Here is a silver stainless steel jump ring. And here is a 10K gold plated stainless steel jump ring. And this is a sterling silver plated jump ring. Sterling silver plated stainless steel jump ring. I hope I said that right. So yeah, I have it on this settings here. A part of me feels like this might be too powerful for the pure gold and sterling silver rings, but we're gonna try this setting out on the stainless steel jump rings because I found that this settings works best for these jump rings here. So let's go ahead and try it out. Here at the top is where it needs to be welded. So I'm about to put on my sunglasses and then we're gonna get to welding. And again, this is the stainless steel silver jump ring. I can put this down if I want to without it going anywhere because it's on the clamp. All right, boom. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, cool. So you want to make sure you're wearing sunglasses because this spark is going to be really bright and it could damage your iris or your retina. So I'm just going to lightly tap where I want it to weld together on the jump ring. Nice. So this was a good weld. Basically, I'm trying to open it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to open it where I just welded, and it's not opening. So this jump ring right here, it welded. Like I said, on this settings, I found that this works really well. See the weld right there? It's at the very top, so that's closed. Where the jump ring was originally open, it is now closed, and I found that either the weld took, because as you can see with this Amazon welder, with 3 seconds, but as you saw, like it took like a few times for it to get that spark in the right place. So I'm just gonna activate, I guess, the spark. So right here, I'm just opening the jump ring, and then pick up my gonna be the gold stainless steel that I would use. You can see the jump ring is open. So basically, this is the jump ring that you would use to connect your chain or add a charm onto a permanent jewelry piece. And then you're gonna add your connectors to your machine, and you want to make sure your jump ring is closed as close as possible, or it's just going to end up trying to weld the ends that are not connected. Whatever, it's just gonna blow a hole. It's gonna blow a huge hole. Yeah, let me switch over to my sunglasses, because we want to protect our eyes. And these are just some regular sunglasses. These didn't come with my machine or anything like that. I probably need some darker ones, if I'm being completely honest with you. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap it with the point. You can see there the little point. So there's the first time, that didn't take. Second time, I believe that took, but I like to get both sides. So third time didn't take, fourth time it took. So on the jump rings for the stainless steel, I like to hit both sides, just in case. Now, I'm gonna have to double check on this weld. I don't think I hit the spot correctly, so we're gonna just check with our pliers to see if it opens back up, which it probably will. Yeah, so I didn't hit this spot where I was supposed to. Sometimes it's hard to see it with sunglasses, but yeah, the jump ring is still open. So what I'm gonna try to do is do it again. Close it as close as possible. I want to make sure that the edges are like scraping. So I'm going to try this again. So first one didn't take. Alright, second one took. And then I'm gonna do the other side. I don't think that one took as well. So again, I was saying I may need to change my tip out or use that sanding bed for the tip, which is kind of an inconvenience, Amazon, if I'm being completely honest with you, because doing that, yeah, that one took pretty good. Doing that after every single client, we gotta do better. I don't know what's type of materials in the tips. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just finished the plated stainless steel on the settings. And guys, no bueno. That kind of takes. They didn't close all the way. I tried to open the jump rings up and they split right open. Now. So I'm gonna up the power by 1. Look at that. So it's gonna be 3-3, and we're gonna see how that weld takes. As you can see at the top here, there. That's close. It's kind of the top. But yeah, boom. That's where the weld is that I tried to do, and I hit it on both sides. That thing's welded, and it still didn't take. So we're gonna try 3-3. It's welded completely shut, and it's not opening. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing with the same settings on the 10K gold plated, as well as the sterling silver plated on stainless steel, and then I'll come back and show you guys how those look. Sorry, I had to transition over here because the cord that they give you with the Amazon welder is not that long. On this settings, 3-3,
plug it into my extension
I was able to get a good weld on the silver plated stainless steel, but I completely blew this gold plated jump ring out. I think it was because I couldn't close it close enough. So like I said, it just kind of like fried the ends, and it's not closing. But as you can see on this weld, this one is closed. I already tried to open it with my pliers, and it's good. So sterling silver,
this is sharp,
stainless steel,
this is like a blade.
Plated jump rings will work.
So as soon as you plug it in, it just turns right on. It starts spinning.
So now I'm gonna try to do.
So there's really no on and off. Just
jump rings right here.
Clear whenever.
But I'm gonna turn the settings down. But before I do that, I am gonna clean my
so I'm
tip
gonna put this aside real quick and then
with
grab
the
my
sanding
tip first.
bed. I'm not sure if you guys can see how black that is.
I would recommend wearing any type of like goggles. If you wear glasses, that's cool. But the tip is like super dirty. It's dirty, so it needs to be cleaned and sanded. I'm gonna take this top bit off right here. Yeah, so it's black. I'm not sure if you should take it out first. I'm still playing around with it, so yeah. All right. So I'm just slightly like tapping the top. I don't think I need to do any more. It looks clean now. So yeah, that's it. And you take it out. And make sure you're staying clear of this thing whenever you're using it and turn it on. But yeah, that's how I clean my tip. There's literally no more black stuff. It's all the way silver or shiny again. I'm gonna put this back on. So I do know for a fact that the black stuff that accumulates on your tip and on your jump rings, that can be you know, that can be prevented a little bit more if you use argon. I personally, I'm not getting an argon tank right now until I get a better welder.
So this is the settings that it automatically resets to 6 on here. So I'm just gonna set it back to 3, and then I'm gonna take it down to 1 right now, since I'm going to be working on these pure jump rings right here. And I'll be back to show you guys if it took or if it blew it out just like this one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the settings down. Oh, here's a perfect example. It just reset itself to 2.6 after we just had it on 3.3. So be mindful of that whenever you're like working on long projects and you're constantly welding. If you don't look over and see that it reset, you may blow a piece of your project up. So just be mindful of that, guys, really quick. Alright guys, so I'm back. Just wanted to show you guys again the settings that I'm using. I brought it down to 1, 3, and that worked absolutely perfect for the pure sterling silver and then the pure gold rings. So if you do buy this Amazon welder, check out my last video where you see everything that it comes with. If you're using it for permanent jewelry, I would definitely go along with the settings that I stated today. If not, you're using it for, you know, something else, definitely play around with it a little bit, play around with these, but I'm just gonna stick with the standard settings that they have here, which would be the 0.5 and then the 3-second time with the 1 to 2 power percentage. That's what I use. And that worked best for, like I said, stainless steel, pure sterling silver, pure 14K gold, stainless steel plated sterling silver, and this is 10K plated stainless steel. So yeah, it's very doable. All of these jump rings are different thicknesses. For the thicker ones, I would recommend you hitting front and back. For the smaller, thinner jump rings, you could get away with hitting it once or twice. Sometimes you have to hit these maybe 3 to 4 times just to get a solid weld on them, but you don't want to keep trying to close the weld too much, or you're just going to end up blowing it out like this one. In the description. Yeah, this one's blown out. Everything else is closed perfectly. And that's how you want your welds to be. And stay tuned for more to come, guys. Thank you.